car takes 15 minutes to travel along the road which is 20 kilometers long. What is the average speed of the car?
15 meters with all along the road, 120 kilometers. Okay. Sir, A.
You sure, eh?
So 1 second, I'm not really sure.
What did you do? Tell me.
So, oh, what? Wait, 1 second, sir. My bad.
Did you get it or you want me to tell you what is it?
Sir, how are you doing it? I'm not still getting it.
Convert the minutes into hours.
Yeah, sir, I did that.
What did you get the answer as?
So 0.25 into 20.
What is the formula for speed?
Oh, I mean 20 divided by 0.25.
What is the value?
Sir, I am getting 0.8.
You're telling me. That's a bit low.
Oh, wow. Sir, now it is showing me 80 for some reason.
You previously divided by 2.5, not 0.25.
I guess that would happen. It's
80.
8. So now it came, sir. Before it was showing me 0.8.
You can divide it by 2.5 instead of 0.25. Relax.
Uh,
A beam balance shows diagram 1 shows the beam balance. The beaker with a wire loop balances the standard masses. The beaker is then removed and hung from a spring. The spring extends by 5 centimeters as in diagram 2. The same experiment is repeated with the apparatus on the moon where the acceleration is less than that of Earth.
तो थोड़ा नीचे जा सकते हो?
मैं थोड़ा जूम आउट करता हूँ क्योंकि वो
हाँ
ऊपर का क्वेश्चन
हाँ,
बड़ा
ये
है.
ठीक है. या it is the A one. Hello.
Why do you think it's A?
So because in diagram one you can see that the rod is still, it's not on the left or right side, either of them. It's like in the middle. And the diagram two, the in the question only it is
Me this
written that the spring extends. Yeah.
wrong. Tell me this. Your weight on moon will be less than that of Earth or the same of Earth?
So less.
Less. When you know it's gonna be less, then how can you apply to the fact that it will extend by 5 centimeters only? It then should extend by less than 5 centimeters, don't you think? You tell me. Don't you think that would be true?
Oh yeah. Oh no. I get it. So sir, it will be B.
Correct. Now you. Samjha? What?
Yes, sir.
Let's try the next question. An empty beaker is placed in a top pan balance and some water is now poured into the beaker. What is the weight of?
Okay, sir. Easy calculation. So 0 point so A1.
Why?
So because the metric unit is kg, and if you minus 106 by 0.062, then it will be 0.044. Hello?
Yeah. Did they ask you mass or did they ask you weight?
So wait.
And then why are you giving me mass?
So because of the metric unit.
When you ask for weight, why would you answer in mass?
Okay. So Newton then. Then D. I mean yeah D. So
Then
but the
D,
value won't. So but the value won't be same.
you're just multiplying by 10. 0.044 to 0.44.
Yeah. Yeah.
Get it?
Yeah.
Value changed. Yes, you're absolutely correct. But it didn't change by much if you think of it like that. Got it?
Yes, sir.
You're confusing yourself. Take a deep breath, calm down, and then answer the question. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts still?
No.
Let's move on ahead. Three cylinders PQ and R have different densities and do not mix. The liquids are placed in the cylinders and they are allowed to settle. The small block is then dropped into the measuring cylinder and comes to rest as shown. Which statement is about the density of the block is correct?
So C.
Why?
So because its density is greater, so that's why it's sinking. The higher the density, the more you go down.
Correct. So its density is not equal to Q, that's for sure. Its density is greater than density of P, that is
No,
also
it
wrong.
is equal.
Its density is greater than density of R, that is correct. Its density is less than that of density of Q, that is wrong. Is its
Yeah.
density less than Q?
No, sir, I told C is the answer.
Oh, I heard D, that is what I was about to question.
No, I told C.
Okay, thank God. Next question.
The diagram shows some liquid in a measuring cylinder. The mass of the liquid is 16 grams. What is the density of the liquid? Okay. So density का फॉर्मूला क्या था?
मेरे को नहीं पता.
Mass upon volume.
You tell me.
So mass upon volume ही लग रहा
It's correct. It's correct.
है लगी
I remember the formulas every once in a while.
yeah
So, बताओ, what will it be?
yes sir sir A
I don't see an option for 8. You're
no
calling?
sir A
Oh,
apple
that's correct. A car is moving in a straight line on a level road. The engine provides a forward force on the car. A second force of equal size acts on the car due to resistive forces. Which statement describes what happens? Think hard about it. What would happen?
the car slows down.
Absolutely sure.
Yes, sir. Actually, 1 second.
Okay. Take your 1 second.
So it does. It's so. Yes, let's see only. Yeah.
You're wrong.
I I'm confused between B and C actually.
Why?
So
What's
because it is a forward force engine, no. So it can keep on going like if there's also like air resistance. I guess it will be B.
it?
Not
B. It is.
D.
It is B.
Yeah, B. That's what I'm telling. B or C. I was confused between them.
Because the equal and opposite force is acting on the body. So it will just
Yeah.
its own force.
Yeah.
A hole is drilled on a square tile. It's let to hang freely. Where will the center of mass lie?
Center of mass is on D. Hello.
Hmm.
So the center of mass is on A.
A. You sure?
Hello.
Yeah, you sure?
No.
Then be
One
sure.
second. No. 1 second.
If when I ask you, are you sure? You're like no. Then why are you answering in the first place? Absolutely certain about your answer. Have confidence in it. Only an answer.
Okay. So C. Certain. I'm certain about it.
Wrong.
But
Why you
yeah.
are asking this question? It's actually D. The center of the tile remains the center of the mass.
So I told D only.
You told C.
So I told D.
You told C. I heard C. No, not fair. Not, you can't change your
I
answer once it's decided. Now, you said wrong now, according to
Sir,
me.
I really told D, so I'm not joking. I really told D.
Damn.
Okay, I'm joking. I was fooling around with you.
Now, the diagram shows the energy transferred in a lamp in 1 second. Which type of wasted energy is produced by the lamp? This is in that. Come on, quickly.
Yes, sir. Down the lamp in 1 second. What type of wasted energy is produced by the lamp? So thermal energy.
Well, which energy is not renewable?
Non-renewable. Okay. Sir, A, fossil fuel.
Correct. The student does work by pulling a box across an horizontal floor. She now pulls a second box on the same floor, which row indicates that the student is now doing twice as much.
Okay, and which one the student twice as much also. If distance the box is pulled. Stable. एक सेकंड क्या? Student does work by pulling a box across a okay. Also,
Give up?
नहीं sir.
I will wait.
So say एक सेकंड.
एक सेकंड क्या 2 सेकंड ले लो
So
चलो 1
लेकिन so so what I'm asking is so वो सेम उस हॉरिजॉन्टल फ्लोर से वापस सेकंड बॉक्स लेकर जा रही है तो हाउ विल द डिस्टेंस बी डबल्ड.
हमें बताना है कि इन चारों में से कौन से सिनारियो में हमारा फोर्स वर्क डन डबल होगा. 4 सिनारियोज है इसमें से कौन से सिनारियो में वो जो काम कर रही है वो डबल होगा. इट्स इनिशियल वर्क और इनिशियल वर्क सॉरी. Work done is what? Force upon time. I'll discuss each scenario one by one. Twice the force, twice the work, or twice the distance. Obviously, not. Twice the work, half the force. Both will cancel each other. ऊपर और नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में दोनों जगह 2 cancel हो जाएगा. Force stays the same. The distance is doubled. Obviously, work done double हो जाएगा ना. Force into distance. है कि नहीं है?
या
हो गया. सी है. इतने से चीज के लिए
तो सी
कितना
है.
इतना तो कंफ्यूज करता है ये लड़का बेचारा. मेरे को दया आती है इसलिए बाबा. कितनी मेहनत करता है ये. अपना दिमाग वेस्ट करता है ये बेचारा. क्या कहूँ मैं क्या कहूँ. खुद ही कंफ्यूज किया जा रहा है खुद को. नाउ नेक्स्ट. 4 identical beakers are filled with volumes of P and Q. Liquid P is more dense than liquid Q. At which point the pressure is least? A, B, C or D?
So liquid B is more dense than liquid Q. Okay. So liquid B. So B.
Which?
B ball.
Wrong. D, D.
So liquid P is more denser.
And liquid P is more dense. I need to find the pressure least.
Oh, least. Sorry, I thought more. So it will be D.
If it were more, it should be C or A.
More. It will be then A.
And then when it least, it's D. Now, calculation time. A woman has a weight of 600 newtons, stands on an horizontal floor. The area of a field is 0.05 meters squared. What is the pressure that she exerts on the floor? Come on.
So the screen went blank for me.
Okay, I'll reshare. It's showing or it's still blank?
It's blank.
There you go. Is it showing now? Is it showing now?
Yes. Okay. Sir, it will be the C one.
Correct.
On a warm day, a carton of fresh milk is covered with a wet cloth. Why does this help to reduce the temperature of the milk? Okay. So it again went blank.
It has good as well. Okay. Can you see? Load up. Give it 2 seconds. Stop.
Mm-mm. I guess it's loading still.
Give it a second.
Yes, sir, it came now. Okay. Sir, the answer is A. Apple.
Correct. Next question. What happened? नहीं आ रहा है? हम्म? बताओ बताओ
A.
बताओ.
Hello. Hello.
या
सर,
go
मैंने
ahead.
बोल दिया आंसर एप्पल.
16th का मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ, 16 का ही A.
Wrong.
हाँ.
Let's
सर,
discuss. The air
सर
is
डिस्टेंस मॉलिक्यूल्स का कम होएगा ना तो प्रेशर इंक्रीज होएगा तो वो एक पॉइंट है. देन सर स्पीड उनका प्रेशर इंक्रीज हो जाएगा तो दे विल कोलाइड मोर सो दैट इंक्रीजेस द स्पीड, राइट?
understand the question first. The air is trapped in a cylinder by a piston. कहीं जा नहीं सकता. Air is pushed inward and the volume of the air decreases, is reduced. The temperature remains constant. Which
Okay, sir, so C then.
पूरा क्वेश्चन नहीं रीड करने होता है. हाँ, जब मैं क्वेश्चन रीड करने लगू, ओ या राइट सी होना चाहिए. हैं? तुम बच्चों को है ना, यही सब की वजह से ना. टेल मी 17 का आंसर क्या होगा? A wooden wheel can be strengthened by putting a tight circle of iron around it, which action would make it easier to fit the circle over the wood.
Sir, heating, I mean A, cooling the iron.
क्वेश्चन रीड किया?
Yes, sir.
पक्का है?
C,
इट्स
C.
गलत है बी. वुड को
It,
ठंडा गर्म करने से क्या होता है? Wood doesn't expand or contract when you heat it or cool it. Where does that idea come from? And why would you cool the iron circle? I remember thermal expansion. I don't remember it.
sir, can I pick up? It's my mom. Sorry, sir. Yeah, sir. I can't hear you.
Yes, go ahead, take the
Okay.
call.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry, sir. I was home. I'm home alone, right? So like my mom was taking update.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
heating the iron expands when metals
Yeah.
heat. They that don't you think a bigger size without actually cutting something is much easier? Then you let it
Yeah.
cool. क्या करूं मैं इस लड़के का क्या करूं
कुछ नहीं.
त्रिवेदी सर, बोलिए क्या किया जाए.
सर कुछ नहीं और ध्यान दिया जाए बस.
तो ध्यान दो क्वेश्चन पे. मेरे को नहीं
हाँ
एग्जाम
दे
के
रहा हूँ.
आंसर पता हो. चलो.
Astrophysics is to calibrate a mercury in glass thermometer with a C scale. Which value should she use for the lower fixed point and for the upper fixed point? Okay. Sir B.
सही जवाब. 19th question, which row gives the correct name for the change of state shown?
Sir B.
Correct. 20.
On a cold day, a metal front door knob X and a similar plastic knob Y are at the same temperature. Why does feel cooler than the Oh, okay. It's a condenser than Y. The one is a better insulator, is a better radiator. Metal. Sir D.
You're talking about this, right?
Yeah.
On a cold day, a metal front door knob X and a similar plastic knob Y are at the same temperature. Why?
Sir, because the X convex thermal energy better than Y.
It conducts better thermal energy than Y. That means it
Sir,
is a better
convex.
than Y.
नहीं नहीं convect. A बोला A.
It's B. The answer is B. It conducts, not convex. It's not a fluid. It's a solid. Convection applies to fluids. अत्युत्तम. अत्युत्तम.
प्रसोत्तम.
हम्म. सर्वश्रेष्ठम.
इसके आगे मेरे को नहीं पता.
मुझे बहुत अच्छे से पता है. जो मार्क्स मिलने वाले वो इसी के आगे है.
बाप रे.
पेपर सॉल्व करना शुरू. A liquid is heated and it expands. How does this lead to the formation of a convection current? एक्सप्लेन किया मैंने, डाल के जी जान डाल के एक्सप्लेन किया. करेक्ट आना चाहिए.
A liquid is heated and it expands. How does this lead to the formation of convection? हाँ ये पता है. Heated liquid in the mass of the heated liquid molecule decrease, the density of heated liquid decreases. So A. Hello.
It's
A.
correct. Which arrow shows the amplitude of the wave?
Sir A. Ah, sorry. A. Sorry.
It shows the amplitude of the wave. क्या करूं मैं क्या क्या
क्या अभी क्या
wave A arrow A gives the amplitude of the wave.
अरे नहीं बी बोल रहे हो तो
झूठ झूठ सबसे झूठ मैंने सुना बरोबर है.
सर बी सर
झूठ
बी है
सबसे पहले ए फिर बी फिर सी फिर डी ABCD खेलता रहो मेरे साथ. In which
सर बी
situation
बी है
the change?
okay that was the wavelength of radio talking about so whatever is passing through a narrow gap so C I guess
You said C, yeah? I'll highlight it. The C highlighted है, okay?
नहीं सर
Now,
C नहीं बोला
अच्छा अच्छा कौन सा बोला बोलो
सर B
बोलो.
I was not sure of C
अच्छा B हाईलाइट कर देता है, ठीक है?
yeah
B हाईलाइटेड है.
yeah
श्योर B
sure
बोल. Let's say
how
refraction, the velocity and the wavelength
सर
of the
बट
light is
अरे हाँ अरे एक सेकंड मेरे को लगा ये साउंड का है ना लेकिन सर ये तो साउंड के बारे में पूछ रहा है
is
ये
it?
लाइट के बारे में नहीं है यस सर
अच्छा तो sound when the radio waves when traveling from Earth to satellite of the moon, the wavelength changes. You're telling me that. That
यस
you're able to call people on the other end of the globe by changing wavelengths.
lol I was in both the answers
Scout sees signals or scout on the other side of the valley using a mirror to reflect the sun's light, which allows the light to be reflected to Q.
scout vision into sound on the other one okay सर बी सर ये तो सबको ही पता रहेगा अब सर कैसे
सनलाइट एंगल पे आ रहा है ना, तो रिफ्लेक्ट भी एंगल पे होगा ना. अगर आप मिरर सीधा रखोगे तो लाइट एंगल पे आया एंगल पे गया. भगवान.
ओ तो ए रहेगा या ए
क्या करूं मैं क्या करूं मैं क्या
अरे सर लेकिन ऐसे जाएगा सर ये देखो सर हेलो
करूं.
सर ये मान लो ये मेरा मिरर है ये मेरी रे ऑफ लाइट है ये यहाँ पे हिट किया तो ये ऐसे जाएगा और पर्सन यहाँ पे खड़ा है तो ऐसे जाकर ऐसे जाएगा तो उसको ही दिख रहा है ना
Hold on, रुको. Okay. Let me explain it to you like this. This is your mirror, right? Hitting
या
with the surface of the mirror. You want to keep it like this. When light is coming like this, don't you think it will fall perpendicular to the surface? And if
सर सो डोंट यू थिंक दैट व्हेन इट इज कमिंग इट विल गो मोर डाउन
law of reflection. कैसे law of reflection?
सर आप अपना ही लैपटॉप फोड़ोगे मेरे को नहीं फोड़ पाओगे
Law of reflection suggests if a light ray hits at a certain angle theta to the normal, it reflects at the same angle. If it hits perpendicular to the surface, it traces the same path back. If you make the light ray perpendicular to the surface, it will go back to the sun. It won't go to the other person.
So like this, like this, like this. ऐसे क्यों जाएगा? Straight क्यों?
Straight nahi jayega. In that scenario, your person is below you. Why can't I
ओ
draw?
सर एक सेकंड मेरे को डायग्राम दिखाओ.
ये क्या है?
मैं डायग्राम ही नहीं देखा लगता है ठीक से. आई गेस. ये क्या हो रहा है?
I'll open it and I'll edit it right now.
सर नहीं नहीं, आप बस प्रेजेंट कर कर वो दिखा दो, मैं समझ जाऊंगा.
खुला ही है अभी भी.
नहीं दिख रहा है मेरे को, बंद है प्रेजेंटेशन.
अरे यार, why did it
इसलिए तो मैं
start?
सोच रहा हूँ.
Wait a minute, I'll turn it on.
या
Hmm. Can you see it? Can you see the paper actually? Hmm. Can you see it? Yes or no? You're on mute, I guess.
ओ सो इसका आंसर बी रहेगा. आई मीन ए, सॉरी. एम आई राइट?
Perpendicular, the same
या
angle.
परपेंडिकुलर. गॉट इट.
क्या करूं मैं इस लड़के का, क्या करूं? तो बचा मुझे.
सर ध्यान दो.
नहीं,
वही
कौन?
आंसर.
तुमने ही पढ़ाई नहीं की है. बिल्कुल भी नहीं हुई है पढ़ाई.
सर मैं कर रहा हूँ रिवाइज, ऐसा नहीं है लेकिन हाँ, जितना रिक्वायरमेंट है, नॉट दैट मच, बट या आई एम डूइंग.
Work harder. Next question. 25. The diagram shows the electromagnetic spectrum. For a device to be able to use electromagnetic radiation, it should be equal to the same size of the radiation designed to work with. Which statement is correct? Come on, tell me. इतना difficult नहीं है.
हाँ सर.
Then tell me what is the answer.
सी.
Sir wants the answer. बोला गया it should be of the approximately the same size as the radiation they are designed to use. Now obviously cell phones 1 मीटर के नहीं होते.
सर डी.
You're telling me your remote controller is approximately the size of a molecule?
सर सी द रिसेप्टर साइज एन आई, इट्स रियली स्मॉल.
uses the region R. You're telling me this.
अरे अरे यार shit. Oh, it will be B then.
You're telling me it's this.
Yes, sir.
Q. The
Sir,
size of.
because of its size.
You sure?
Yes.
Absolutely sure that it's B. Or is it C? Or is it A? You're on mute.
Sir, yes, it is B.
और खिलो पकड़ा पकड़ी. It's A, नहीं it's D, नहीं it's C, नहीं it's
So
B.
B. Ball.
C. Receptor cell बोला था ना? हाँ?
Sir, I was on.
Now
Sir,
again.
एक
हाँ देख.
second.
मम्मी को बोलो थोड़ा कम कॉल किया करे. लेक्चर चालू है.
सर नहीं, मॉम का कॉल नहीं है सर. मैं पानी पीने जा रहा हूँ. मेरे
जल्दी
फ्रेंड का कॉल था. सॉरी.
जल्दी पी के आओ. चलो पानी पी के आना. कॉल पे मत लग जाना.
सर बैक.
A dolphin has an audible frequency of 150 hertz to 150 kilohertz, which range of frequency can be heard by both humans with good hearing and by dolphins. I'll wait.
सर हाँ
I'll aram se wait. Tell me.
सर डी.
What-
सर
You
actually
sure?
it is 20 to 20. It should be 20 to 20 kilohertz. लेकिन वो ऑप्शन यहाँ पे दिया नहीं है.
You're telling me 20 to 20 kilohertz.
या
तो एक फिर ऑप्शन बनाना होगा मुझे.
एक से अगर डॉल्फिन्स है सर तो देन इट विल बी सी. Oh no, B. 20 hertz is starting for us.
Correct?
Yeah, correct. What?
Starting range 150 hertz है. हमारा उससे lower है. Obviously dolphins won't hear that, so that's wrong. Our highest is 20 kilohertz.
Yes, I know that. 20 to 20 kHz. Supersonic.
Oh, supersonic. ध्यान से देखो 150 hertz to 20 kilohertz.
Yes, I know that.
And then why are you making mistakes?
सर मेरे को डॉल्फिन का नहीं पता था इसलिए.
दिया है.
ओह ओह शिट. सर वो दिख ही नहीं रहा था मेरे को.
झूठ. ध्यान
सर
दो.
नहीं सर, ये चीजें मैंने मजाक नहीं किया सर. ये
A
सब नहीं.
permanent magnet is placed close to a soft iron core magnet. Permanent magnet, soft iron core. What are the polarities of the ends of P and Q?
सर इसका मतलब ही क्या है?
मतलब P और Q पे कौन से पोल्स आएंगे?
ओह ओके. सर और पी पे साउथ और क्यू पे नॉर्थ. सी.
Which metal is used as the core of an electromagnet? Tell me.
Foreign
Which
for the
is
core of
the-
electromagnet, iron, copper, magnesium, steel. So B iron.
You're telling me B, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we have marked B. So you don't say कि नहीं सर C नहीं D नहीं A सर ऐसा करते E बनाते ऑप्शन हम.
नहीं करूँगा सर.
Correct. Now, the diagram shows three resistors R1, R2, and R3 connected. A student connects an ammeter in position 1, then 2 and 3 and 4. In which position does the ammeter show the current only in R1?
Okay. सर ऐसे जा रहा है ना फ्लो. Okay, okay, got it. So position 1 and 2 only.
Correct.
A plastic rod is rubbed with a gluty rod. What happens to the plastic rod and what is the charge on the glove? A plastic rod, it loses electrons, and then the charge on cloth. So it was negative. So it will be so negative C.
Correct. A student
A student.
measures.
Sure, C.
Correct.
So flow left to right है ना? या right to left है?
सेम लंबे लाइन से छोटा लाइन फ्लो सेम है सब में.
मतलब
इन दोनों लाइंस में से which is the longer line to shorter line. Longer line to shorter line.
got it. So D.
Correct. See how you do this. Tell me this.
So one
What
sec.
this symbol
Yeah.
means? What is that symbol?
Just want to learn.
What is that symbol? Tell me that. Mhm.
So A.
Just tell me what the symbol I highlighted means.
Hello.
Yeah, I
Hello?
want.
Sir, A.
Pranav, I'm asking you something. What does this symbol mean? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
What does this symbol mean?
For,
And what
I guess it's a battery.
it's A is battery, you're telling me.
No,
What is
no. B is lamp, okay? And A is a switch.
wrong and wrong? A is a thermistor and B is a bell. The only option which correlates the two is this.
B.
बल्ब का ऑप्शन ऐसा होता है, it has a wire in it. This is how it is shown, not like this. This is a semicircle with two lines coming out of it. This is a bell. Symbols nahi yaar.
Yeah.
What? Yeah. Don't get to say yeah. This diagram shows connect. Okay, that isn't a part. Potential dividers haven't been done with it. Let's do the question 38. Question 38. Are you even reading the question, Pranav?
Yeah, sir.
What do you think could be the answer?
So that's what I'm thinking.
Calculate it, yeah. Come on, you've gotten lazy.
Okay.
40 minus 18
Yes,
and
I
39
understand.
minus 19. Which of the two? Come on.
So, 22 is okay. 22 is for argon and 20 is for potassium.
So, which has electrons and which has more
For
protons?
argon, yes, sir. So the answer is B.
Which has more electrons out of the two? Tell me that.
Sir, argon.
You sure? क्योंकि मेरे को आर्गन में 18 दिख रहा है, पोटेशियम में 19 दिख रहा है. इलेक्ट्रॉन.
हाँ
Fine.
सर, तो आंसर ए है, वही बोला ना.
Wrong.
I mean D. Pot-
नहीं, A
Potassium.
बोला, I mean D बोला, वही. In both the cases
Sir,
it is D.
yeah.
Okay, now we'll wrap up
Sir,
for today.
actually, it should be C, right?
No, how can it be C?
Sir,
Who has more
क्योंकि
proton?
22 आ रहा है.
40 minus 18. So
22 है.
neutrons.
Sir, got
Okay,
it, got it, got it.
you need to start.
Got it, सर. मेरा दिमाग आज नहीं चल रहा है सर. आपका बोलने का कोई फायदा नहीं होगा आज मेरे दिमाग पे.
You need to start
आज.
work. For today we'll
या
wrap.
सर.
For
या.
today we'll wrap up, but start practicing hard. Okay.
या.
With this, you're not gonna score enough.
यस सर.
You can leave. Ciao. Bye
बाय
bye.
सर.